10 best tips to maintain indoor plants or house plants. 1. Spin your plants around so they grow evenly and not lopsided. Every week. 2. Don't fertilize in the winter, only in the spring and summer. We suggest Bonide liquid plant food. It's perfect for houseplants. 3. Use pots with holes in them. Very helpful and necessary if you are a gardening newbie. 4. Try taking your houseplants outside for the summer and grow them in the shade. It is amazing how much they grow. 5. If you are prone to giving to watering too much, buy a moisture meter. It will help you learn how much water your plant needs. 6. Speaking of watering, saucers are great for catching excess water, but water sitting in the saucer all the time helps keep the roots too soggy. Try this if possible. Take your plant to the sink, water well. Let water drain for a bit, then put back in the saucer. It will help keep your surfaces drip-free. 7. Use a systemic insecticide. This product is sprinkled on the surface of the soil, and the insecticide gets absorbed into the plant, helping keep bugs away. It really does work, and an ounce of prevention keeps you from having the headache of spraying insecticide inside your home later. 8. Cutting off the brown bits of your leaves is a great way to tidy up. Follow the natural leaf shape. If the leaf shape comes to a point, don't cut it back straight across. It just won't look natural and defeats the tidying up you were trying to do. 9. Dusting the leaves can be done the easy way or the hard way. Yes, you can wet a cloth and wipe each leaf. This can grow old if you have more than a dozen or so leaves. I take mine to the shower in the winter and let the overhead water wet all the leaves down, cleaning off the dust. Leave to dry before taking back to their regular spot. If you take your plants outside in the summer, a garden hose does the trick. 10. Knowing when to let go. We see lots of sick houseplants come in. Some are just too far gone to keep as is. However, there are many plants that you can pinch off the ends or tips. We call that propagating, to make a new plant, i.e., spider plant, or also called airplane plant. The main plant puts new starts off of a hanging stem, and each baby can make a new plant.